Hi, my name is Montana Crow. I am a recent graduate of Creighton University's School of Law, and I am the youngest attorney and one of the newest attorneys here at Berry Law Firm. I'm very excited to be here, and I'm proud to be fighting for our veterans. And now I'm going to get to talk to the firm's founder in his 56-year practice, Mr. John S. Berry. So I want to talk about your Green Beret Trophy, the Defender of the Forces. As well, you were the only attorney to receive that award. So can you talk about that a little bit?
Yes, the 5th Special Forces in Vietnam were called Green Berets. They're not Green Berets. Green Berets are hats. But the 5th Special Forces in Vietnam, I was in a very fortunate position. I volunteered for Vietnam, and there was a condition. And the condition was that I transfer from infantry to JAG, that I get to be a defense counsel, because what they were doing, they were using real lawyers to prosecute and picking some guy out of the ranks and say, oh, by the way, you're defense counsel. That offended my sense of justice. So even though I had fulfilled my military obligation as an infantry officer, and my final assignment had been as an infantry liaison officer to an artillery battalion, and I was done. I said, no, goddammit, I want to get over there where the action is, and I want to be a defense counsel. And I put in my request, yeah, send me over there as a defense counsel. I'm volunteering. Well, they took me up on it. So I took the short course in Charlottesville, Virginia. Went over there. My first job was to be chief defense counsel for 3 Corps. That's what this is, 2 Field Force. This one at the top. I had 80,000 troops that I was in charge of defending. Well, I did, forgive my saying this, but I did pretty well. So I got requested from the 1st Infantry Division, the 1st Cavalry Division, the 101st Airborne Division, the 82nd Airborne Division, the 9th Infantry Division, and one of my favorites, the 11th Armored Cavalry Regiment, commanded by a guy named Patton, George S. Patton Jr., every bit as crazy as his old man. And I'd go to Black Horse, which was in Swan Lock, and he'd say to me, okay, you can have my air-conditioned trailer. He had an air-conditioned trailer right in the middle, because he was a full colonel. He ended up a 2-star general. Because he says, I never sleep in it. I go out in my armed personnel carrier to draw fire. I want to get shot at. And I said, I don't want your trailer. He said, what do you want? I said, I want to do whatever the troops do. He said, can you fire for our first meeting, can you fire an M60 machine gun? I said, yeah. Yes, sir. I am qualified as an expert, Fort Benning, Georgia. He said, fine. Here's your position, spend the night there. I spent the night there. No action, nothing happened. That was my initiation. He deliberately stuck me in a place where he knew nothing was going to happen, lying all night on my belly behind and you can imagine they have, the Chinese crate and the other venomous vipers there, the mosquitoes for our malaria pills. I'm lying on my belly all night long with my M60 machine gun, not a hint of action. I think that was just his way of breaking me in.